Hi vlog, we didn't break, but that's okay. A Claremont team and another team broke. That's okay because failure is often disappointing, but you know what's not disappointing? Sorry, I had to redo that because the last video was getting too long, so I was just like talking about dramas and stuff. But hi, long time no see. If we go to school together, I guess I saw you on like finals day or whatever, but hey, get over it. Sorry, my leg hurt. Okay, I'm back from Puerto Rico. The vlog from Puerto Rico was like 10 minutes long, and it's gonna be easy to edit because I didn't vlog at all in Puerto Rico because I'm spending time with my family. My iPad died and I was too lazy to plug it back in. But I did record my 12 hours in the airport. Woo! We spent more time in the airport than we did in Puerto Rico. But hey, you know, that's fine. I think this is the Big Wave Day video. So, yeah. Probably gonna split it into like 2 more parts because I'm crazy. I'm also very tired, so I'm gonna edit this right now. I'm gonna try to post 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know what I'm gonna post though. It's gonna be a really crappy day in my life of me sleeping. I'm watching a bunch of shows right now. Mostly for my own enjoyment, but also for my what? Ordering boba. Watch me, Kimberly. There's fucking food here. Free food. There's one. I'm ordering boba.
I'm back. Well, we didn't break. Was that expected? Yes. It's okay. I would love. Oh, I at least hope we like won round 2 because I think I like really did well on round 2. And I can't wait for comments to come out and see if we. How do you see if you won or lose? Cause Congress, you're getting ranked. Oh.
Yeah, you win or lose.
There's.
I'm taking the vlog. Okay, so vlog, I was watching my Thai drama, Boss and Bae, because the show hasn't fully come out yet, but I'm like, got really excited like yesterday and like decided to watch it. And so I like watched the episode, nobody's in here alone, because being antisocial is the way to go. So I go downstairs, these little like lunch tape aliens, and wait, I'm gonna stand outside on this. And all of like prep PF down there was sitting at those lunch tables, and Alex Bay, I think whatever Bay is, I think it's Alex, had fucking in his hair. Look, I blanked it out for you, bro. You don't even have to do it. And it was like, damn. I'm like, shit. And then I'm gonna go back to being antisocial. And I'm like, so okay, I go to the bathroom. There's no like seat cover. I have class, so I put like toilet paper on the seat, and I take a fat. It was like a, and I was like, damn. Okay, and then I move on right. I leave the bathroom, and somebody's standing right there. Somebody's standing. It like faces outwards. They are standing right outside the stall, and I like bow because that's like courtesy. They don't say it. They like they don't even acknowledge me. Just go in the bathroom. I was going in. What? Literally stop. Literally stop. And jump scared the. It looked like female Chase Waldheim. Okay, and then I went back to the Parley people and our PF prep team. I'm like, hey guys, there's a person standing outside. Everyone's asking who. I'm like, I literally don't know who this person is. And then I'm like, I love you guys some more than others. And then I walk off, go back to watching my Thai drama, and everyone pulls up, and we're like, no Parley prep teams, bro. Well, that's about it. That's how my day has been vlogged. I'm gonna go back to watching a Boss and it makes it's a banger show. Okay, I'm gonna hand you back off.
Okay. Actually, I'm really happy that we didn't break because they have like this stupid topic about like governments. That's really good because I don't freaking know anything about the government. That's actually bad to say, but it's okay. Are we finding out another place to charge our phones?
Yeah, we can find some.
Not mine, not Briar's. Oh, there's a stain. I've been using a really bad pen all day. Why does that guy have a legit freaking luggage? I don't have any pockets. This is really bad. Oh yeah, we're celebrating Big Wave Dave's birthday. He's actually like an actual person. Whose is this? This is mine. No, this is mine. Because I remember drawing pen all over it. Whose is this?
Someone's history notebook. My handwriting's not that good. Cole, is this you? Your handwriting. This is No, this is too nice to be your handwriting.
Is this Sophia's?
You know damn well I don't take notes in class. Go bring this to Sophia.
No. I will also hold the vlog. We're leaving the party prep room. This is also the awards room.
And the extemporaneous
and the extent and the world's prep room and an MS party room. If I ever come back here, that would haunt me forever. Like how the 600s building will also haunt me forever from Bargain Belt. That Congress finals were so bad. Like I was like, we have to start early. We have to be here out. And he asked, oh, can we have 5 extra minutes? Man, that did not take 5 extra minutes. That took a whole extra hour. That stupid Congress finals took 2.5 hours. My God. Yeah. There's so many stairs here. We can join the little cult circle and sit together.
I like vlog. I connected my headphones to my computer to watch a boss and a bae, the Thai drama. I close my computer, the headphones disconnect, and as I leave, they reconnect. I'm like, I didn't reconnect to my phone. They were reconnected to my computer. Somebody opened my computer. Okay, story time over.
Okay, wow. Sophia! Okay, this is like really... Sophia!
Really?
Love how this just became a place where we're all sitting.
We're...
Oh my gosh, Sophia, I haven't seen you all day.
I saw you once.
I saw you once.
I was with Ella, I think.
You
Probably were.
How much percent? Oh, I stopped it. My bad. This is almost fully charged.
Were the high
Nice.
school Carly topics also just Congress topics, but like slightly older?
One of them was a literal spar topic, I swear.
MSPDP.
Oh yeah, it was.
It
The
was
second
the-
topic
could
sucked.
tell-
The
What
second
are you wearing that crown for?
So I don't lose it. This guy started speaking in Spanish during his OO, so I started flowing his OO in Spanish. I wrote like 5 times. Why does he keep running into the desk? That's about it.
Are you fluent in Spanish?
Writing it? Speaking is a different thing. It's like doesn't help tutor me. Just keep asking me what my favorite show
You're the
is.
one that was like, you
And I can't say Thai drama in Spanish, so. Dramas de Thai.
Drama de Thai.
I mean, me too, Queen, me too. I just make jokes during Spanish class, and that's how I get by. I make jokes in English. Can you stand like in the way of the sun? That would be so girl boss.
Oh wait, Lily, can you stand in the way of the sun?
No, I heard
Not girl boss. Wait, go back over there.
Oh, it's like
Say, no, I'm not looking at you.
You are illuminating.
you were like, oh, I really like that.
You are illuminating.
Oh, Olivia told me you really like that shit. And she's like, and then they're like, oh yeah, but that's just because Olivia's sleeps during class.
Oh, I have it. I have a first period.
You have a peeper?
Yeah.
What is it?
When? Before?
At least I tried to pretend I'm engaged. I was studying.
Yeah.
No, I
Well,
was
it's
actually like.
before my history and bio.
Okay, no, the thing is. Not for
Wait, get my tie to a really bad angle.
no.
Get my tie down in that photo,
I
coach.
can like study.
It's just...
Wait, coach, can I see that photo? I got a reputation to uphold.
I was like, because I remember you
That's
saying
gorgeous.
like, oh, I sit right in front of you.
Give me my sunglasses. Give me my sunglasses. Wait, I have sunglasses.
Wait, should we take our stuff out of the prep
And then someone else
Okay.
Somebody stole my sunglasses.
I'm gonna go take my stuff on the table.
Wait, Coach, I'm literally so cool. Coach, somebody stole my sunglasses. I just can't see anything. Oh, JK, I found my sunglasses.
How'd it go?
I had the same judge that told me more. I'm sorry. That told me more eye contact for Jack that I did for Jack.
Well, you get plenty of eye contact.
I gave a lot of eye contact there because it was like he sits in the front and then everybody is like in the back. So I just faced.
I've never seen someone so cool except myself.
That's okay because that's what you have.
On her bed.
I'm not a raging homosexual, Kimberly. I just throw it up because I'm influential. I am a raging homosexual.
Like a few
Did you make that joke or did I not hear it? No, I'm not. I'm not a raging homosexual. Never mind.
So my time was like a little bit shorter.
This is gonna be the thumbnail.
But I think
Wait. Edit this in.
Oh, yeah. That is short.
Wait, the hair.
he read up
Never
the
mind.
thing and said like time, like amount of time.
I'm so cool. I need to tell Coach Jones
like a
this is very
therapist, and then
serious.
it didn't work, so they gave it away. You know my dog
Facts.
last week.
Look about this. Get a photo.
Like my parents weren't really.
We look so cool. This is your time
They
to
were
take
just
a photo.
like fat couches for dogs.
This better be on Instagram.
The negation person said in his second speech, unless the affirmation both align in their next and like an example of metal rod.
He was messing with you.
And then
This is my
in
NPC
my last
stand.
speech, I provided an example of
That's
that
really
person
weird.
lied
I don't know why I do that.
and he
I don't know why I do a lot of things.
I was like, you literally asked me to do this.
The whole thing is.
He said I was gonna let him do it, which I'm not. But he also asked me to do it, so he like gave me permission to do it. Going crazy.
Catch 22. The whole thing he's like, oh, give me an example. The whole thing is a rhetorical question. You can't do it.
I'm like dying.
I recognize his shoes. They're very large.
They're very stylish too. I wish my shoe game was that rad.
All the debate stuff.
Don't drop my iPad on Coach Dalton's head. I'll get kicked
I'm
off the
not
team.
going to drop it.
I just want to reiterate, Bob, we were standing right over our coach.
Can we, that's Coach Dalton. For reference.
Vlog.
Actually,
This is Byron's vlog.
Oh my god, I look horrible.
It's called Briar is Amazing. I don't think you'll be able to find it though. It's very underground. This is like a good album cover. Except I'm the album cover. I am the album.
Dun, dun, dun.
Little Darky. This is the fan service. We're sitting in a cult circle right now. So big half of my face. Got the cute hair.
Look at them run.
I feel the moral obligation to follow. And it's free food, so who wouldn't want free food? Maybe I can steal another ring pop. They wouldn't mind. Emma looks sad. Why the long face, Emma? Why the long face? We're about to eat ice cream cake at Big Wave Dave's birthday bash extravaganza. Damn, everybody and their mama in line and they all prep kids. That's embarrassing. I'm sorry your parents don't feed you. That's not my problem. I'm starving.
free food is free food.
For real. I had 3 slices of cold pizza. Oh my god, it's Ben, my king. Ben, say hi to the vlog. Hello. Chase, say hi to the vlog. I said this in the vlog earlier, but the person who was standing outside the stall looked like female Chase, and it kind of scared me. I don't know. This is so not girly girl boss slay slay. This is probably gonna be chocolate, and I'm probably not gonna eat it. And I'm gonna be standing in line for nothing. Is it just cake? Is it just cake?
There's 2 lines, one for only ice cream and one for only cake.
What kind of ice cream they got?
I have no idea. I only got cake.
Right.
What kind of ice? Oh,
I just asked
I
that.
forgot. I wasn't.
Free.
I got no idea what these kids doing.
Music.
It goes in instrumental music then, stupid. Sorry. It's. Are they looking at me? I didn't say that out loud, did I? Okay, good. Oh my god, it's Big Wave Dave. It's his Brad's birthday party right now. How sad you gotta be to make a tournament.
And for anyone that wants only cake and no ice cream, we have an express lane inside.
This is so fun. What is ice cream? What's ice cream?
It's just vanilla ice cream.
Hook me up. That has my name all over it. Plain and simple.
Vanilla cake for no ice cream.
Plain and simple. Just how I like it. Because my stomach sucks.
You're lactose.
Lactose is for losers, but my stomach doesn't like anything, so I'm basically allergic to anything. But ice cream's good. And sure, I have pink eye, but that's okay. And my jaw still hurts, but that's okay. I really want to go back to watching my Thai drama. I'm having withdrawals. This is too much social interaction. I want to go home. What's right there? Can I just have ice cream? Okay, go. You're still here.
Chris Bay was saying while we were exiting, this is just like the northern African countries, and I didn't hear the rest of the sentence.
What the?
Yeah.
Nay, I'm using you as a backrest for my vlog.
But I get a shout out.
It's a 6th generation iPad. You gotta get close. Excuse me. I have some tea. Here's my sad plate of ice cream because cake is disgusting. I don't need you.
There's free cake in the cafeteria.
Hey.
Bye.
Hopefully I'll remember to tag Nay.
I trust that.
They overhyping this beer. It's free though, so it doesn't matter. Free stuff is free stuff. Who's that? I feel bad because I was making jokes. Can you keep all my stuff in on the board?
What happened?
Probably not.
It's alright. That's why she's here, right? Is she even confused? I have no idea. What?
Song of the day, meth head freestyle, but Little Darky.
No, I didn't say that.
That's your first red flag. Not the meth head, it's Little Darky.
And then she side-eyed me. I was like,
Do you want to hear the song? He got these red leather sheets. The song I'm listening to consists of a man screaming. That's wrong.
4+ syrupy drinks on this phone protector.
Oh, when should we tell my mom to start coming? We live an hour away. I don't think so.
Not even in like Thea.
I don't know.
Can you watch my stuff? This bag.
This cake's disgusting. Lucas, our middle school is on Be Real.
Yeah, it's a problem.
What is Be Real? You take
know.
pictures of yourself. Or if you're like me, you take pictures once a month. Whenever you feel like it. King, he's literally sleeping in one place for us.
Look at this body.
Emma, let's go over it. Can you hand me the clear water bottle over there? It's like blue. It's like turquoise-ish. I only take pictures at Sage's house apparently. Yeah. Speaking of tournament again, I have my boba. If I swipe over too far, I might see a certain person that I don't like. Your shoes. You were like this is how I got my recap. You look very cute. We definitely don't look sketchy. Can I help you? Levi Ackerman body pillow, lemons.
I even my pockets running.
Lying is not morally wrong if I'm right. They're over there now. They like pop down in your camera thing. You'll see it in the thing. No, it's not, because look at the back. I know, these you can still see
Today,
it.
also today, I just had this talk. This is drama class. That's Bahia. Who else is this? Oh, that's
I think I should watch Unforgotten Night again.
Cosmo, are you judging?
Look at this absolute king, bro.
I want to judge.
He was getting his fit splinter this morning by Nay and Izzy.
yeah.
I think it's a king moment. Ah! I really want Boba when my mom's coming. And they even have Chonos. At least Chonos is sort of filling. Sure, you have diarrhea and be $36 in debt. But Chonos, the quesadillas normally at.
Never mind. I thought you guys were talking about.
You'll be having explosive diarrhea and $36 in debt. But good. That's so bad. And you'll be full. And you can have the nasty horchata that they sell at the end for free. Because nobody wants that watered down cinnamon water. I want that watered down cinnamon water. Let me move back so my fucking city. Ow! Papaya with salted crab and fermented fish.
I think she gives vibes. She gives
Someone told me I gave squirrel vibes. I think I did. Actually, probably shouldn't say that. No, I'm applying to a captain position. I gotta watch what I say for the next few weeks. She gives off squirrel vibes. I think I just made this worse. You gave off like golden retriever in a way. Nah, but I'm trying to be in here. A little bit. Whoa. Oh. Oh, I have a pencil sharpener. I'm pencil sharpening this into the pizza. Yeah.
Are you putting pencil sharpening shavings into your cake?
It's trash because I don't want the cake. I'm not being wasteful. I don't want the cake.
Okay.
It's just frosted. Okay, there are middle schoolers standing behind. I know. I can see them in the camera, in the reflection of the dirty ass. You know what I need to vlog? We need to talk. Me getting bullied by middle schoolers on a regular basis is just. I don't think. I've never seen it before.
I'm having like a crisis between like I don't like to do anything.
Skinny daddy mom. My phone's at 9%. You want to be my vlog, Big Daddy mom? Bend down so I can see you.
I am,
King.
but like I don't do anything that
Anything
like
to say to the
shows
vlog?
my
How's
face.
your
So
day
I'm like,
today?
am I?
Bend down and say it into the camera.
I just judged around about Instagram Reels, and the kid didn't have Instagram, so he didn't know what he was talking about. I felt so bad.
That's very sad.
No, actually, no.
I hope you had a good day. This person has beaten 365 rounds. Right, Skinny Daddy mode. No, I'm listening to Meth Head freestyle full blast right now, so definitely not. You know what I want to listen to instead? We gon' put it in the back. I don't know, I haven't decided. The Goose does too. You don't go so hard though. Sure, it's like, me gustas su cocina, me gustas too. And that's the epitome of the song. Aren't you a man?
There, and then you're like, oh yeah, she's
Big Daddy Mutt is going to be the thumbnail. Even though he's in here for 2 seconds, he's good publicity.
We're just gonna like squeeze it.
No, we talked over there.
Oh, never mind.
What was that?
Oh, she's 30 minutes away. She's zooming. Kimberly, tell her to stop zooming. Tell her she's gonna be waiting for a while.
Not interested on all of the weird things that appear on my explore page. Like I just was not interested on a cow.
Like, if I was, y'all, I might get canceled for saying this, but if I was a homosexual, I would go for Ellie. Like, I would full on do it. Play some music, it's so awkward! It's so awkward! You guys don't understand how much I love Ellie. Like, I am in love with Ellie. Like, no, I'm straight, but like Ellie though. Like, Ellie doesn't like me. Dumbass. Darn, I need to stop cussing. Frick. But Ellie, bro. Ellie.
Even if I don't get a purchase.
Oh, hi, Ellie.
Like, I was so bad.
Yo, Ellie, if you see this, I meant every word I just said just now. Even though you don't love me, I love you, mamas. Okay, I'm a disgusting person I've ever met. What's they doing? They just went. Hey!
And you know how much time I look at this. I didn't even get to debate. I spent 5 hours working on the debate. I didn't even.
Oh wait, am I going forward or backward? There's shavings, hair, and ice cream in there. I mean, yeah.
Pencil.
Yes, that's why I said shavings.
Oh.
Why are we all sitting outside? Let's on the floor. Let's be somewhere. I think this is 27 squared. 3 squared is no. I'm gonna watch Bend Down. Okay, Nay. Censor that. That was a violation. Please don't do anything cringe. Oh, this tell him, hey. Oh, give me every vlog. It's the middle schooler who bullies me. This is Violet. Okay, you're not funny. Do. If you have anyone make fit check references, it's.
I'm throwing this away.
Thank you. He's using you to forget about day. Forget the split. Whoa, she really ate the hair. But I don't walk up. I'm not. Oh, there they are. My mom's mad because she's here. And
Is that Cosmo's? That's Cosmo's.
I think so. He'll come back for it. I wouldn't take it.
No, I'm just not gonna take it. I was like, is that Cosmo's or not?
I said start coming because the awards are gonna take 30 minutes and. Yes. Oh, I got fucking trees up my ass, bro. Can you get the tree out of my ass, please?